Hello, I'm Vadani Ariyam. In this video, I'm going to talk about an online course that I have created, Basic Accounting for Small Businesses. Before that, let me introduce myself. I have been working as a freelance accountant for many years, and I have witnessed so many businesses, small businesses, have failed due to the lack of the implementation of correct accounting procedures. There are lots of entrepreneurs out there. They might be very clever in setting up a business and finding a good location and finding a good niche, winning over good customers. They might be extremely good at, but having all that, they completely neglect, once they are busy setting up the business, they completely neglect the correct side, the accounting side of the business, and without realizing, if they neglect the accounting side of a business, it is very difficult to take the business off the ground. Therefore, as an entrepreneur, you should have the knowledge of accounting, like stock control, credit control, sales, purchases, cash books, banking procedures, savings account, and all this. You have to have the knowledge. I won't disagree with you that you are busy having lots of work as far as setting up the business. If you don't set up the business, you can't do accounts now. First it first comes, you have to set up the business, but at the same time you have to pay attention to the accounting, keep thinking about it. And not that every entrepreneur will have the knowledge of these things. So it is better for you to study something and just become aware of these things. And you might, in the long run, you might think, after a while, setting up the business, after a while you might think that you need help. You must be knowing your strengths and weaknesses. If you are weak with the numbers, you have to have help. But getting help, you have to be careful at the same time in making decision to have the help. There are so many ways you can get help. That is, you can have an in-house person to help you with figures and prepare accounts and all that. Or you can hire a freelancer to do the work, or maybe an accountant. Or you have to outsource, you have to hire an outsourcing company to do your accounts. That being said, before the selections, you have to be aware of what you are going to ask from them, what is the area you are going to get the help from, and at the end, once they have finished the work, how will you know that they have done everything correctly? So you have to have your knowledge, even though you can't do the work because you lack of time, and you need the proper training. Both you need to do the work. So you can hire somebody, but you have the knowledge. You can just justify yourself that they are doing the correct work. In finding an outsourcing company, you have to Google and get some recommendations, or you can just go through their past records in their website or something like that, and you can make yourself that you are making a good selection. And once you are selected, you can get the work done. Running the business and the accounting side must go alongside, side by side. It has to go along. Otherwise, you will find if you neglect the accounting side, after a while you will not know where you are. You have to be aware of cash flow, budgeting, and all that. Cash flow is the main thing for the business, because if you have problems with the cash flow, you will have problems with the business as well. Therefore, you cannot neglect accounts for small businesses. In my course, I have given clear guidelines about this, about all what you have to do to do the accounting work for your business. If you read that guide, if you study that guide, you will be able to get some help from you. You can ask people to help, and you will know what you have to ask and all that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope these tips are good enough for the time being. If you like this video, please share, comment, or like it. If you want to buy this course, click the link below and you will be able to, it will take you there to the place where I'm selling the course. Thank you. Bye for now. See you there.